Okay, continue video study about a school AI platform. Do you know what is a school AI platform? A school AI platform is a digital system that uses artificial intelligence. Okay, do you understand? A school AI platform. A school AI platform is a digital system that use artificial intelligence to help manage or improve teaching, learning, and school operation. Here is what it usually does. For students, help with learning, give explanation, quizzes, tutoring, track learning progress, and suggest what to study next. Support personalized learning, adapt lesson to each student level. Okay, continue. For teacher create lesson plan. Teacher create lesson plan, test or assignment automatically. Grade or give feedback on student work. Help identify students who need extra help. Point 3. For school and administrator. Okay, how school and administrator do? School and administrator manage attendance, grade, and report. Analyze this student perform data. Analyze this student performance data. Improve communication between teacher, student, and parent. For example, a school AI platform, Google Classroom, and Gemini AI, Khan Academy AI Tutor, Socratic by Google, Century, Tech ClassPoint AI. In short, a school AI platform is a smart online system that uses AI to make teaching and learning easier, faster, and more personalized.